Hello everyone, it's me Nimra. So today I'm going to deliver a lecture on dimension. Before starting the dimension, we should know that what is physical quantities. Let me recall that physical quantities are the quantities which can be measurable. Like the physical quantities, we are having speed, time, temperature, force, and many more. So dimension basically tells the nature of physical quantities. Like we are having the dimension of length, that is capital L, the dimension of time, that is capital T, the dimension of mass, that is capital M. All the formulas in physics are dimensionally correct. Like we are having the formula, so the like force, work, power, these all are formulas and they are dimensionally correct. We'll prove that as well. So all the formulas are dimensionally correct. In physics, all the formulas are dimensionally correct, but the numbers in formula, like if any formula that contain a number, that will be dimensionless. Okay, so there are some basic formulas, like we are having velocity. What is the unit of velocity? Meter per second. We know that meter is length, so the length is represented by capital L and second is represented by the capital T. So we know that the length power is 1 and it both have no power. So when there is no power, they have a power 1. When this denominator will move towards the numerator, it will become inverse. How it will become inverse? Because when the denominator moves towards the numerator, the power always becomes inverse. So that this will become a Lt power minus 1, and that is the dimension of velocity. Second, we are having acceleration. Acceleration, was the unit of acceleration? We are having meter per second square. We know that meter is length and length is denoted by L and second is denoted by capital T and it has square, so we are just putting it as a square. So L upon T is square. When the denominator will move to the numerator, it will become Lt power minus 2 and that will become the dimension of acceleration. Then another formula that we are having of a force, and that is Ma. That is the formula of force. M, mass. We are having mass. M represent mass represent the represent by the capital M, and acceleration, we know that acceleration is, we know the dimension of acceleration is Lt power minus 2. If we are just taking Lt power minus 2, or we don't know, so we can calculate it like this. So force is M is equal M into A. So we are just having, so the answer will be Mlt power minus 2. That will be the dimension of force. When I am just writing it, these all are the dimension. Means all the formulas in the physics are dimensionally correct. So like these, we are having another formulas like kinetic energy, potential energy, work, power. All these formulas in physics are dimensionally correct.